Do you know over 1.2 million Kenyans earn their living online? According to a report by the Kenya Private Sector Alliance released in 2021, 1.2 million Kenyans were working online as of 2021. The numbers in 2023 may actually be higher. The most famous form of online work is academic writing in Kenya. However, government data shows that only about 40,000 Kenyans earn a living through academic writing. This shows there are many other ways you can make money online while living in Kenya. Examples include there are programmers, these are people who code, there are website designers, there are graphic designers, there are creative writers, there are proofreaders, and so many other examples. The first step when you want to make money online is to identify your skill. For example, are you a good programmer? Are you talented when making content, like you can make people laugh? Are you a good tutor, like you are good in mathematics, you can help tutor kids, for example? You can also be good at teaching online courses, like you have a good understanding of a certain topic and you can teach other people online. Those are skills that you can monetize. Secondly is to network within the community of the industry that you would wish to venture into. So for example, someone who wants to become a programmer, you want to have a network of other programmers who are more experienced, who have understanding of how the industry works, and you can even tell which coding languages are in demand online. Networking may also involve sharing your portfolio or your resume with the right people. So you want to demonstrate to these people what you are able to do. So for example, you are good at a certain language that not many people are able to do. You can even share with other programmers who are good at a different language, and they will be willing to share your skills with other clients. You can also join the community where freelancers, for example, are meeting, and you are able to have a pulse of that community or that industry that you want to venture into. Number 3, you want to come up with your own entrance strategy, and here are 3 examples you can use when getting started, for example, as a freelancer. One strategy may involve creating your own account and then bidding for jobs on freelancing work sites like Upwork, Fiverr. These are websites that are designed to attract clients who have jobs that they would like to share with freelancers. There's another site that has people who are able to do the job, like writers, graphic designers. These are people who will then submit bids to do this job at a certain fee, and then the platform will confirm the capability of this person, for example, by asking for your academic qualification documents, record of other works done before. So that's one strategy, where you create your own account in these already existing freelancing work websites, and then you start to build your own portfolio from there. Number 2, you could approach someone who has a network of clients. For example, I could be having my own direct contacts in the United States, in Japan. I've been able to accumulate so many clients who are looking for a certain freelancing skill. And then I look for people who can do the jobs that my clients need, and I pay them a percentage of what the client makes so that I also get some money. So that strategy will involve you working under someone, probably getting to learn the industry, and then later on you can venture on your own. That's also a strategy. Number 3, you could come up with an entrance strategy where you come up as a group of freelancers. You're offering different skills. For example, one is good at writing, another one is good at editing and proofreading, and then you offer one platform where different services are offered to clients. So that's also a strategy that you can use when getting started in freelancing work. I have given examples of strategies you can use when getting into online freelance work, but the entrance strategies may change depending on the skill you have and the dynamics of the industry you are getting into. Money254.co.ke has written more about how to get started in doing online work. Click on the link to learn more.